Hello guys, how are you doing? This is a manual about how to use this new launch from Robiel. This is the EVO G4. This is a power supply that can read the IA-Line network from 6-pin injectors. How does it work? You connect to the injector and it's going to measure pressure, it's going to measure temperature and the cylinder that the injector was put on. So let's see how it works. Okay guys, so this is the power supply, EVO G4. So what this power supply does, as I've mentioned, is going to measure temperature, pressure, and which cylinder the injector was on. It can work both for piezo, like this one, and also inductive, like this one. This is the most famous one. It works exactly the same way. Let me show you. You just put this connection onto this cable, 6-pin against 6-pin. This other one you put on your test bench, right? So your test bench is gonna work onto the injector, it's gonna start testing the injector, and you just need to compare the pressure that is on the screen with the pressure in your test bench and the temperature in the screen with the temperature that is being shown into your machine. And also, you can, as a bonus, check which cylinder it was installed. So very, very simple way to see if the sensor, the pressure sensor or the temperature sensor are okay or not on those 6-pin injectors. Very simple, very easy to use. Just connect here, connect in your test bench, do a full test, and keep checking on pressure again from power supply against your machine. And don't forget in here to choose between piezoelectric and inductive. So that's it guys, that's how you use this power supply. Very simple, very easy. If you still have doubts or questions, please go to Robiel website, Robiel YouTube channel, Instagram, Facebook, all the social media. We have a team that is prepared to answer all the questions that you have about this or other power supplies or even tools or parts. And of course, make sure you get one for your workshop.